Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a poster girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and I have today a finished object for you, which is this purple hat. Now, I have finished knitting this hat. I haven't blocked this, I didn't put any tags on it. I'm going to do it all soon, but it is gift knitting and it's the quickest hat I've designed, and it's called Just Knit Hat. And it is a free pattern, so you can check it out. I'll put links down below, and also there's a tutorial, so if you've never knitted anything in your life, that's the thing I would recommend you to start, because the only thing what we do over here, we do a knit stitch, and that's all. So nice, so quick. To knit this hat takes me 2 hours, I would say. If you're not experienced knitter, it may take you, I would say, 3-4. Well, you know, depends. So first things first, what needles I use. The pattern calls for 7mm and 9mm needles, which is 10.75 US and 13, I presume, I'm guessing. I don't have needles now because I'm going to knit another hat. And this hat I knitted with only 7mm needles, because some of you even were saying that it is a visible change of the gauge. So that's that. Also, what you can notice with this project, if you have two needle sizes, you can see that the fabric that you're creating changes when you change the needle size. What else? The yarn I use the recommended in the pattern, and the pattern that I knitted is Drops, and this makes 65% wool, 35% alpaca. So if you got any of the hats knitted by me or anyone with this yarn, just to be aware that to wash it, you just pour the water into the bowl, put it in with some it could be even shampoo if you don't have anything wool related things, and leave it for 10-15 minutes, then take it out, rinse it nicely, just squeeze, don't twist, and then leave it flat to dry on the towel. Sometimes what I do, I also, before to put it flat on the towel, I just roll it into the towel, and that way I will just rid of the bit of water and then leave it flat and it will dry. So that's what I'm going to do. This is a beautiful, beautiful purple, because I believe that the person who's going to get it loves purple. And the color, if you're interested, what it is number, as you can see on the screen, it's 3410. As I said, quick and easy and fun and a brilliant gift knit. Everyone will love this hat. It's more a thicker yarn, so it is quite a warm hat, but I love it so much. To knit this hat, I cast it on 50 stitches, just for my future self to know, in case I would want to recreate the size. The pattern gives you from 45 to even 65, I think, or 60. So if you want to go smaller or you want to go bigger, check it out. I hope you're going to try it if you've never knitted, if you're not a knitter, or if you're a knitter, check this out. So sum up, this is a very fast, very easy, very quick, free tutorial, free pattern down below, so check it out. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Don't forget to use #knittingilove, show me what you're knitting, and #justknithat. And I hope to see you next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and wait for my future finished object. Don't forget, check playlists if you're interested in what I've knitted so far. You have garments, hats, shawls, socks, and so on, all down there. Enjoy! Bye!